Ever felt like navigating the world of investment platforms is like trying to choose between a trusty Swiss Army knife and a sleek, modern multi-tool? Both get the job done, but the features, feel, and ultimately, the experience can be worlds apart. If you're on the hunt for the right place to grow your money and have narrowed it down to Ally Invest and Charles Schwab, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison to help you decide which of these investment giants might be the perfect fit for your financial journey. Choosing an investment platform is a significant decision. It's where your hard-earned money will live, work, and hopefully, flourish. You need a platform that not only offers the tools and resources you need but also aligns with your investment style, goals, and comfort level. Ally Invest and Charles Schwab are both well-established players in the online brokerage space, each with its own unique strengths and potential drawbacks. So, instead of a generic welcome to the channel, let's get straight to the heart of the matter. Which platform truly deserves your investment dollars? To answer that, we need to dissect them across several key areas. We'll be looking at everything from the range of investment options available and the fees they charge to the quality of their trading platforms, research resources, educational materials, and the all-important customer support. By the end of this in-depth comparison, you'll have a much clearer picture of which platform best suits your individual needs. Let's kick things off with the bedrock of any investment platform, the investment options they offer. Ally Invest, known for its roots in online banking, has built a robust investment arm. You'll find a solid selection here, including stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, options, and bonds. For those interested in more actively managed approaches, they also offer professionally managed portfolios through Ally Invest Advisors. This robo-advisor service can be a great option for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. They also provide access to initial public offerings, IPOs, which can be an exciting, albeit potentially riskier, way to get in on the ground floor of promising companies. Cryptocurrency trading is also available through a partnership, expanding the asset classes accessible through the platform. Charles Schwab, on the other hand, boasts a more comprehensive and extensive array of investment choices. Beyond the standard stocks, ETFs, options, and bonds, Schwab provides access to mutual funds, with a vast selection, including their own popular low-cost options, futures, forex trading, and even international trading capabilities. This wider breadth of options can be particularly appealing to more sophisticated investors or those with diverse investment strategies. Like Ally, Schwab also offers robo-advisory services through Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, as well as personalized financial planning for clients with more complex needs. Winner, round one. While Ally Invest offers a strong selection that will satisfy the needs of many investors, Charles Schwab's broader range of investment options, particularly in areas like mutual funds, futures, and forex, gives it a slight edge for investors seeking more diverse opportunities. Next up, let's talk about the aspect that often weighs heavily on investors' minds: fees and commissions. The landscape of brokerage fees has shifted dramatically in recent years, and the good news is that both Ally Invest and Charles Schwab have largely eliminated commission fees for trading stocks, ETFs, and options. This makes trading much more cost-effective for active investors. However, it's crucial to look beyond just commission-free trading. Other fees can still apply. For options trading, while the per-trade commission is gone, both platforms typically charge a per-contract fee. It's essential to understand these fees, especially if you plan on trading options frequently. When it comes to other potential fees, such as account maintenance fees, inactivity fees, or fees for certain types of transactions, both Ally Invest and Charles Schwab generally keep these to a minimum or don't charge them at all for standard retail accounts. This is a significant advantage compared to some older, more traditional brokerage firms. For their robo-advisory services, both platforms have different fee structures. Ally Invest Advisors charges an advisory fee based on the assets under management. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, on the other hand, boasts a no-advisory fee model for its basic robo-advisor service, which can be a significant cost saving for those who are comfortable with the automated portfolio management. However, more personalized financial planning services at Schwab will come with associated fees. Winner, round 2. This round is a bit of a tie. Both platforms offer commission-free trading for the core asset classes. While Ally Invest's robo-advisory service has a straightforward fee structure, Schwab's no-fee basic robo-advisor offering is compelling. The best choice here will depend on whether you prioritize active trading with potential per-contract options fees or a hands-off robo-advisory approach. Now, let's delve into the trading platforms and user experience offered by each. Ally Invest provides a streamlined and user-friendly trading platform that caters to both beginners and more experienced traders. Their web platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, offering clear charting tools, real-time quotes, and the ability to place various order types. They also have a mobile app that mirrors much of the functionality of the web platform, allowing you to manage your investments on the go. For more active traders, Ally Invest offers Ally Invest Live, a downloadable platform with more advanced charting capabilities, technical indicators, and customization options. Charles Schwab offers a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to cater to different levels of investor sophistication. Their standard web platform is well organized and provides a wealth of information and tools. They also have a highly regarded mobile app that offers robust features for research, trading, and account management. For active traders, Schwab's flagship platform, thinkorswim, acquired through the TD Ameritrade merger, is widely considered one of the most comprehensive and feature-rich platforms available. It offers advanced charting, sophisticated order types, paper trading capabilities, and a vast array of analytical tools. Winner, round 3. Charles Schwab takes this round. While Ally Invest's platforms are user-friendly and capable, Schwab's offering, especially with the inclusion of thinkorswim, provides a significantly more powerful and versatile suite of tools for traders of all levels, from beginners to sophisticated active traders. Moving on to a crucial aspect for informed investing, research and educational resources. Ally Invest provides a solid foundation of research and educational materials. They offer market news and analysis, educational articles, and videos covering various investment topics, and tools like calculators to help with financial planning. Their research is integrated directly into their trading platforms, making it easy to access relevant information while making investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.